Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video, and in this video, we will check out 3 of the best screen recording software for Windows and Mac in 2024. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. The first app we are talking about is Movavi Screen Recorder, which is another cool and simple recording app that can record resolutions up to 4K. It's lightweight on your system resources and gives you a tiny bit more options to play with. The interface is minimalistic, and for starters, it gives the user the option to choose which area to capture on the screen. From there on, all you have to do is press All Record, and that's it. You're ready to go. You can use it for capturing your gaming sessions or instructional videos. And you also have the ability to use the drawing tool if you want to highlight something important during a presentation. For example, more so if you want to test out the program before you buy it. You can go ahead since there is a free version of it available for download, but it comes with the watermark nonetheless. You have all the functionality available for free to decide if this is for you. So if you want to just check it out by accessing the link in the description below. Moving on, we have Camtasia, which is a powerful screen recording software that also comes with a cool video editor to make sure you get the best out of your creative process. Just open the app, make sure to select the proper settings, fix the area of your recording, and then just record. This app is perfect if you want to make tutorials, but it also works well for capturing your gaming sessions. And then once your recording is finished, it will be taken directly to the Camtasia video editor, where you can process the character you just made and edit it like a professional. The video editor is a different story altogether, and it comes back with a ton of cool features from animation effects and many others. This software comes for free as a 60-day trial, so this should be plenty of time for you to decide whether this is the right choice for you. So make sure to check the link in the description below to get your copy for free right now. Next on this list, we have Loom, which is a very simple screen recording software that works best for sharing videos with your work colleagues. If you are having a project or a presentation to go through or make tutorials within a simple framework, the app can record your screen camera or both at the same time, which makes it great for recording instructional videos. The way it works is that once you record the video, you will be taken to your Loom profile on your browser, where you will already have the clip ready for you to share here. Depending on your subscription, you can edit the video directly in the browser, or you can download it for further use. All in all, this is a very simple screen recording tool, so if you are interested in using it in a work environment with fast sharing options, make sure to check the link in the description below. These were 3 of the best screen recording software for Windows and Mac in 2024. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. And of course, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.